Hey, everyone! Welcome back to Home Diet Tips, where we bring you life hacks and tips to make your daily routine a breeze. Today I've got a trick that will change the way you look at mouthwash forever. After hearing about these incredible benefits, you'll be dumping mouthwash in your bin. Yes, you heard it right. This trick is ingenious, and in this short video, I'll show you exactly how to do it. But wait, before we dive in, a quick warning. Don't literally dump mouthwash into your bin unless you want to clean it. Instead, we're going to use mouthwash in a different, surprising way. So, the first step is to grab a garbage bag, just like you normally would when taking out the trash. Easy, right? Now, take a cotton pad and apply a small amount of mouthwash. If you don't have a cotton pad, no worries. Grab a handkerchief or a paper towel. It works just as well. Tip it over briefly to make sure you have the right amount on there. And now toss it straight into your rubbish bag. One is enough for this magic to work. But why go through all this trouble, you ask? Well, when you throw rubbish into your bin, it can start to develop an unpleasant smell over time. And who wants that, right? That's where the mouthwash comes in handy. It smells incredibly fresh and pleasant. So every time you open your bin, you'll be greeted with a burst of freshness. So there you have it. Turn your bin into a breath of fresh air with this simple mouthwash hack. If you found this tip helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic hacks. See you on the next time. Stay fresh and happy hacking.